Welcome to Factful Finance. Imagine you're setting off on a road trip, except you don't have a map, a destination, or even a clear sense of direction. How far do you think you'll go? The same goes for your finances without a financial vision statement. Did you know that only about 20% of people have a written financial plan? Let's change that and ensure you're not in the dark when it comes to your financial future. Before we dive in, quick reminder, the information in today's video is for educational purposes only. For personalized advice, always consult a professional. Now let's break it down. A financial vision statement is like your financial GPS. It's a clear and compelling description of where you want your financial journey to take you. Think of it as a roadmap to guide your decisions and set meaningful goals. But how do you craft one? Well, I'm glad you asked. Step 1. Reflect on your values. Start by thinking about what's truly important to you. Is it financial independence? Early retirement? Providing for your children's education? Your financial vision should align with your personal values, as these will serve as your compass throughout the journey. Take a moment to jot down your core values. They'll form the foundation of your vision. Step 2. Define your goals. Next, it's time to get specific. A financial vision isn't just about vague dreams, it's about tangible goals. For example, I want to retire by 55 is far more actionable than I want to retire someday. So get clear on the when, what, and how of your goals. Whether it's paying off debt, building an investment portfolio, or saving for a down payment, make sure your goals are measurable and time-bound. Step 3. Visualize your ideal financial future. This part is exciting. Picture your life in the future. What does financial success look like for you? Maybe it's vacationing around the world, owning a vacation home, or having the freedom to pursue passion projects. Creating a vivid mental picture will keep you motivated on tough days. To make it even more powerful, create a vision board with images that represent your financial aspirations. This could be a house, travel destinations, or even symbols of financial independence. Step 4. Develop a roadmap. Now, it's time to turn your vision into actionable steps. This is where your financial plan comes in. Break down your long-term goals into shorter, more manageable steps. For example, if you want to pay off $20,000 in student loan debt, break it down into monthly milestones. Your financial vision statement should include a timeline that outlines when and how you plan to achieve each goal. Step 5. Review and adjust regularly. Your financial vision isn't static. Just like a road trip, there will be detours and unexpected changes. Your life circumstances may shift, and so should your financial vision. Be sure to review it regularly, at least once a year, to make adjustments based on new goals or changes in your financial situation. Let's look at a quick example. Meet William, a 30-year-old tech professional. William values financial freedom and wants to retire early. His vision statement is, I will build a portfolio that generates $50,000 annually by age 50, while maintaining an emergency fund of at least 6 months' expenses. William's actionable steps include contributing 20% of his income to his 401k, investing in index funds, and prioritizing paying off high-interest debt. His roadmap includes reviewing his portfolio every year and adjusting his contributions based on income changes. Here's why this works. William's vision is specific, measurable, and tied to his personal values. It's not just about saving money, it's about achieving financial freedom and independence. And as he checks in on his progress regularly, he stays motivated and on track. Now, let's talk tools. To help you craft your own financial vision, try using financial planning apps like Mint or Personal Capital. These can give you a snapshot of your finances and help you set concrete goals. Or use a financial calculator to estimate how much you need to save each month to hit your retirement target. What's your financial vision? What's the first step you'll take toward crafting your own statement? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your financial goals. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, why not like and subscribe so you don't miss out on more practical tips to build a solid financial future. We think you'll find the video on screen next helpful in your journey towards financial success.